Hi guys, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. I'm just showing off a MMI box that we've installed to a Bentley Continental. Now this is the older Bentley which doesn't have a touchscreen in the car originally, and what you get with this kit is you get a film which sits over the original screen, so you have to take it apart and install a touchscreen to the original system. Now, one thing with the original screen is that the resolution on it is not very good, and it's not the brightest in terms of actually displaying what shows up. So it's good in terms of you don't want to change anything and you kind of just want the functionality of it, but it is not ideal for actually seeing the screen. However, it does work. So there we go. So you've got this here is Apple Maps. Now, yeah, the brightness on it's not the best in terms of actually seeing what shows up on the screen. So I just press here to search, and just recent searches or something. There we go, let's put that in there. So it does work, and it works fine. Obviously it's, if you've seen CarPlay boxes before, you know how they work. There we go. I don't know if you can hear that, but it'll speak to you as well. We go back. We've got things like BBC Sounds, which are audio. You do kind of have to mush the screen as well because, as I said, the original system not the best for touching, swiping and so on. Obviously with the new touchscreen it's exacerbated a little bit, but yeah, it's just what you'd expect pretty much. If I press this here, that'll take you back to the screen where you set it all up and stuff. Now, to go back to the original Bentley system, all you do is tap and hold the original screen. What you want to do is you want to try and get it somewhere it's not going to actually move the screen, if that makes sense. So let me just go back into CarPlay now, let me try it here. Tap and hold for a couple seconds. There you go. So that'll get you back to the original system. Let me just lower that volume down. And then to swap back, just tap and hold again. So it's pretty intuitive. But yeah, the main thing is just the brightness on it's not the best, but you know, it works. So yeah, if you've got any questions on the actual item itself, or if you want to get one yourself, get in touch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. To be honest, not much else I can show you. It's what you'd expect it to do. Alright, cheers, thank you, bye bye, bye bye.